General trend. CIFR has been a crypto-fueled rocket, showing a strong bullish trend over the last 3 months. Starting at $3.08 on April 25th, it dipped to a low of $3.12 on May 30th before blasting to a high of $7.10 on July 22nd, closing at $6.62 on July 24th. Trading well above its 200-day EMA, $4.74, CIFR confirms a robust long-term uptrend. The July surge, with a 115% gain from the June 23rd low, $3.53, screams bullish momentum, likely driven by Bitcoin's rally and mining sector optimism. Price-volume relationship. Volume spikes align with major price moves. The July 2nd breakout to $5.68 saw 94.94 million shares, a massive jump from the average volume of 31.7 million. The July 22nd peak at $7.10 had 73.60 million shares, showing strong buying pressure. The June 23rd low, $3.53, with 36.26 million shares marked a capitulation point. The July 24th close at $6.62 with 13.45 million shares, below average, suggests consolidation after the rally. High volume days, e.g., 69.56 million on June 30th, confirm accumulation. Moving averages. Here's the moving average breakdown. Short term, the 5-day SMA, $6.57, and EMA, $6.57, are near the July 24th close, $6.62, indicating short-term stability. The 10-day SMA, $6.34, and EMA, $6.35, support this. Medium term, the 20-day SMA, $5.87, and EMA, $5.86, are below the price, acting as support. The 21-day SMA, $5.78, and EMA, $5.81, align closely. Long term, the 50-day SMA, $5.45, and EMA, $5.64, are well below, reinforcing bullishness. The 200-day SMA, $4.53, and EMA, $4.74, confirm a strong long-term uptrend. Technical indicators. Let's unpack the indicators. Trend indicators. MACD, at 0.65, signal 0.64, histogram 0.01, it's bullish, though the narrowing histogram suggests slowing momentum. ADX14, at 35.95, it indicates a strong trend, supporting the uptrend. AREN up, 92.0, versus AREN down, 12.0, gives an oscillator of 78.57, strongly favoring bulls. PSAR, at $7.10, above the price, it hints at a potential pause or reversal, but the trend remains bullish. Momentum indicators. RSI 14, at 68.11, it's nearing overbought but not extreme, with room for upside. Stochastic, Stock K15, 82.09, and D15, 85.95, are high, while Stock K5, 69.42, and D5, 65.38, suggest short-term cooling. Williams percent R14, at -25.95, it's neutral, not in oversold or overbought territory. MFI 14, at 70.82, it shows strong buying pressure. Momentum 10, at 0.38, it reflects short-term bullishness. ROC 14, at 9.50, it confirms moderate upward momentum. Volume indicators. OBV, at 373.21 million, it's rising, indicating accumulation. Chaikin oscillator, at 23.72 million, it shows strong buying pressure. Volatility indicators. ATR 14, at 0.53, it reflects high volatility, down from 0.54 on July 22nd. Bollinger Bands, upper, $7.37, middle, $5.87, lower, $4.38. The price is near the upper band, signaling strength. Linear regression. The 14-day TSF, $6.73, is slightly above the July 24th close, $6.62, suggesting CIFR is slightly below its short-term trend line. The Coral 20 at 1.00 shows strong trend consistency, reinforcing the bullish bias. Estimated opening price for next trading day. With a July 24th close of $6.62 and an average opening price over the last 5 days around $6.50, the ATR of 0.53 suggests a July 25th opening between $6.09 and $7.15, likely near $6.60, assuming no major crypto news. The low volume, 13.45 million, on July 24th points to a stable open unless catalysts emerge. Support and resistance levels. Support, $5.86, 20-day EMA, $5.64, 50-day EMA, and $4.38, bollinger lower, are key floors. The $4.74, 200-day EMA, is a strong long-term support. Resistance, $6.94, July 22nd close, $7.10, July 22nd high, and $7.37, bollinger upper, are hurdles. Breaking $7.10 could target $7.50. Potential high and low levels, ATR based. Using the 14-day ATR of 0.53. High, $6.62 plus 0.53 equals $7.15. Low, $6.62, 0.53 equals $6.09 given the July 22nd range of 1.15. A broader range of $5.94 to $7.77 is possible if volatility spikes, especially with crypto sensitivity. Possible scenarios. Bullish scenario. If CIFR breaks above $7.10 with volume above 31.7 million, it could target $7.50 or higher. The RSI, 68.11, and AREN, 78.57, support this potential. Neutral scenario. Consolidation between $6.09 and $7.15, ATR range, with ADX, 35.95, indicating a stable trend. Bearish scenario. A drop below $5.86, 20-day EMA, could test $5.64, 50-day EMA, especially if OBV, 373.21 million, reverses or MFI, 70.82, weakens. Conclusion. CIFR is riding a crypto wave, closing at $6.62 on July 24th with low volume, 13.45 million, just below its 200-day EMA, $4.74. The MACD, 0.01 histogram, and ADX, 35.95, confirm a strong uptrend, backed by AREN, 78.57, and MFI, 70.82. Volatility, ATR 0.53, reflects crypto-driven swings, with the June 23rd low, $3.53, showing risk. Watch $5.86 support and $7.10 resistance. Traders, play the $6.09 to $7.15 range, and stay glued to Bitcoin news or earnings catalysts. Let's mine those gains.